Welcome. If you've ever needed to find files in Dropbox and wished you could see the oldest modified documents first, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show how to quickly sort your Dropbox search results by the oldest modified files using the latest update. It's simple, efficient, and will save you time digging through your files. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your stored files. Once the app is ready, head straight to the search bar located at the top of the screen. This is where you'll enter your keywords or file names to start your search. After you type in your search term and the app shows your results, look just underneath the search bar. Here, you'll find a sorting option, usually labeled as Sort By, or sometimes it might say Most Relevant by default. Tap on this to reveal different ways you can arrange your results. Among the sorting options, you'll see choices like Name, Modified, and Created. What we want is to organize the files by when they were last modified, but starting with the oldest ones first. To do this, select the option labeled Modified Oldest First. This flips the default sorting order and places your files starting with those that were changed the longest time ago. That's really all there is to it. Once selected, your search results will rearrange automatically, showing you the oldest modified files at the top. This is perfect for locating older versions, tracking progress over time, or simply reviewing your file history in chronological order. Using this feature means no more scrolling endlessly or guessing which file was updated first. It makes managing and finding your Dropbox files smoother and more intuitive. So, just to recap, open the Dropbox app, tap the search bar, then tap Sort By or the current sorting label, and choose Modified Oldest First. Now you're all set to navigate your Dropbox files by oldest modification date, quickly and easily. Give it a try next time you need to review your files and enjoy a more organized Dropbox experience.